If you also want to delete your EA account just with help of your laptop or browser in front of you. So let's start this video and show you some genuine steps that what happens when your account is deleted or how you can delete it. You will lose access to your games or any data related to you. And in this video, I will simply show you that this is the official website of EA, and I'm showing you here that how you can proceed to delete your EA account. So that is a quite simple method you all have to follow is go on official website of delete your account on this website here on the EA website and click on this delete your account link just from it. Now, how to close your mobile game account? From your in-game settings, you can go to the setting, then select delete account option directly from there and confirm that you want to delete your account or delete your all of the data from the game. Thank you so much for watching this video.